Hey, welcome back to this video. In this video, I'm going to share with you a platform that will help you protect your Instagram account from spam followers and ghost followers. So let's get into the video, and I'll show you how this website will help you clean up your Instagram account and protect your account so that your account looks legitimate and does not have spam followers, does not have ghost followers, does not have any kind of spam activity that prevents your account from growing. So let's get into the website, and I'll show you what this website is all about. Alright, so this website is called SpamGuard. What it does is it protects your Instagram from ghosts and spam followers. So SpamGuard is a website that is great. It's an online service that helps you clean your Instagram account and blocks all sorts of spam activity. It's an effective Instagram cleaner that takes care of all the spam accounts and subscriptions that are not mutual to your account, and it also has an anti-spam monitor or a filter that blocks any sort of unwanted followers and comments. So what you can do is you can click here and sign up right now. So let me share with you what more it does. It's the first ever Instagram smart cleaner for Instagram, and this service actually wipes Instagram spam accounts out from among the followers and the people that you know, and you know how to easily stop spam profile in your profile now. So wipe ghosts followers, remove businesses that are not actively engaging and are not common or inactive with just a few clicks. SpamGuard also is the first unique anti-spam best hacker monitor that takes care of your account and blocks spam and unwanted activity from spam accounts and ghost followers. So here are the testimonials of people who are saying. They're saying that the smart service for cleaning up Instagram account service for blocking unpleasant followers and useless profiles. So you are free to choose profiles that you want to delete, ghost accounts, business accounts, and passive followers, because right now we need active followers who are following account. You can create a whitelist of important profiles that you will prevent from unblocking during the process. So this also help to blindly avoid taking action causing incorrect accounts. So if you want your account to have a higher success rate, steer clear from bot profiles, then you should definitely use this SpamGuard tool. So the advantages of using this tool is that it's a cloud service. You do not need to install any apps. Okay, SpamGuard works even if you close your browser. It's a fast cleaner. Its service is twice as fast as the other competitors. You can use multiple accounts. You can add 2 to 3, 4 multiple accounts to your profile. It's mobile friendly. You can use it on a laptop. You can use it on a smartphone or any other device. You can also use whitelist and quick select and add your friends' accounts to the whitelist so that it does not delete them or block them. You can also generate spam reports so of all the accounts that you've deleted. So right now, if you want to do a quick test, I'll leave the link in the description below. You can plug in you can click sign up, and you can plug in your Instagram account that you want to clean up. It will remove you from ghost followers, commercial profiles, foreigners, inactive audience, and non-mutual users. So you need to ensure that your account is always staying up to date with the latest Instagram guidelines and rules. Otherwise, they will delete your account. My previous 3 accounts were deleted because of all these spam activities. That's why I'm heavily promoting this platform. Okay, so make sure to check out the other videos where I talk about other Instagram tools that will help you protect your account from other spam activity, and it will help you ensure that your account is authentic and has real followers. So you can try it now. You'll sign up, and once you go to the backend, you can plug in your Instagram account name. This is one of my accounts, new accounts that I have opened up, and after you plug in, you can do a 10% scan, or you can do a full scan. It will scan through all this. It will remove all the unwanted accounts. It will clean, and it will show you how many accounts have been removed. You can also turn on real-time protection against spam followers, protection against comments, protection against someone tagging you on spamming photo, or protection against DM requests. So you can turn on this protection and set up protection for your account, and you will be able to see the report of how many followers are removed, how many comments were removed, how many people that have tagged you and how that was removed, and how many other direct DM requests have come that is a spam, that's not from an authentic profile. You can go ahead and sign up for this sign up for SpamGuard, and you can completely clean and protect your Instagram account. And your Instagram account here, it does multiple analysis and cleaning of Instagram account from ghosts and spam followers, protects your account from bots, commercials, and unwanted fall up to 12 months. The price depends on the number of bots among your. So you can enter your account. It will show you how much spam is there in your account, spam activities going on in account, and based on that you will get to know a price. Usually will be affordable So you can choose the test account, you can do the full access, or you can do premium. It also has other features. You can learn more about it. You can see a lot of testimonials on their page. It's really advantage. I thank them for reaching out to me to talk about this, because my account, 3 accounts were actually hacked, and because of spam activities by other people. So I didn't know that this is what's happening in the backend. But you need to protect your account, otherwise even the accounts that you do for business or social media or for whatever purpose that you use your Instagram account, it will put at risk, and because of that Instagram will flag your account and it will delete your account, or you will no longer be able to access it. So check the link in the description and make sure to check out SpamGuard and plug in your username here, and you'll be able to see all the spam activity from your account. So if you found value in this video, I'll see you in the next